Become an effective game tester. Discover how to earn great income playing the newest video games way before they are even released. Hi, my name is Raymond, and I want to share with you the secrets to earn money while you enjoy playing video games. Once you go behind this page, you'll discover work from home and game as little or as much as you want, completely your own schedule. The more games you play, the more you get paid. Pay your rent and all your bills by spending as much time gaming as you do now, only playing the newest games to be just developed. Get paid to test the newest, most popular releases from companies like Blizzard, Capcom, EA Games, Microsoft, Nintendo, and more, months before anyone else. Keep all the games you test. Imagine how much you can save on video game costs alone. Get access to all of the hidden cheat codes, level secrets, and developer codes only game testers ever find out about, and much, much more. Simply click the link below for immediate access. Important, do it now because this information may never be made available again.